Kia ora koutou, it's Matua here again, and my hair's looking a bit funny. Look at that. I think that's because I had my potai on earlier, and I took it off because I was getting a bit hot. Anyway, we've got some Waiata this morning, and our four Waiata are the Hello song, which everybody's starting to know, hopefully, and Ko Mātou, which is a new Waiata that Matua didn't know, and so I've learnt that one, and it's to a tune by to a tune Yellowbird, which you might know, and then Mahia te Mahi, which is all about getting the work done, which, you know, your teachers are working hard getting some mahi out to you, so make sure that you have a look at that if you can. And the last song is the kite song, the goodbye song. So join me today for a little sing session. And if you want to leave some comments, you can, or like the video, you can, or I'm not sure how I can see your chat as we go, but I'll work that out for next time. Okay, so I'm just going to move my computer screen so I can get all organized. I'm going to grab my guitar. Right, got my raku. Here we go. First song is the Hello song. So join in. Hello, hello, and away we go. Hello, hello, and away we go. Kia ora to you, talofa to me, malo elele to everyone we see. Kia ora to you, bullard to me. It's time to sing along with glee. Hello, hello, and away we go. Hello, aloha, pakaloha lahiat, and away we go. Let's go away and sing Ko Mātou. Okay, here we go. Right, Matua, as I said, this is a new one for Matua, so. Ko Mātou te ropu mahi e. Ko Mātou te ropu mahi e. Ka papaki noa, ka titiro noa, ka tutuki noa, ka kikini noa, kei te aroha, kei ngā taonga, te iwi Māori e, te iwi Māori e. Let's try that again. Ko Mātou te ropu mahi e. Ko Mātou te ropu mahi e. Ka papaki noa, ka titiro noa, ka tutuki noa, ka kikini noa, kei te aroha, kei ngā taonga, te iwi Māori e. Te iwi Māori e. Anō, te iwi Māori e. Ka pai koutou. That means this is our group. This is our group. Clasping, admiring, reaching out and touching with appreciation the treasures of our people. Well, we've got to treasure all our people in Aotearoa at the moment, especially those workers who are working hard in the hospitals and the vaccination centres and health centres, the testing stations, all those people. We've got to really appreciate them for doing their mahi. For getting their job done. And that leads us into our next song, which is Mahia te Mahi. Here we go. No. Mahia te mahi, get your work done, get your work done today. Mahia te mahi, get the job done, and there's more time to play. I know what to do, I know to follow through. I say when people ask, I say, stay on task. Mahia te mahi, get your work done, get your work done today. Mahia te mahi, get the job done, and there's more time for play. I strive to be my best. I get the A+ on the test. I'll focus on my end game. Everyone will remember my name. Mahia te mahi, get your work done, get your work done today. Mahia te mahi, get the job done, and there's more time for play. Sometimes it's difficult to see when things are hard. I try to do my best so I can raise the bar. Sometimes I get distracted by some things that are attractive. I know where my mind has wandered, so I mindfully tell myself no. Mahia te mahi, get your work done, get your work done today. Mahia te mahi, get the job done, and there's more time for play. Mahia te mahi, get your work done, get your work done today. Mahia te mahi, get the job done, and there's more time for play. Get your work done. And that's really cool. Celebrating our healthcare workers, our essential workers, the people that are stocking the shelves in the supermarket, the people that are helping us buy our food in the supermarket, all those people in the vaccination centres and the testing stations and the hospitals, the petrol stations, all those essential workers that are keeping us going in this strange time. Anyway, last song today is the ka kite song. So we're going to say goodbye. Our little Waiata session has come to an end, and we sing our goodbye song. Here we go. It's time for us to say goodbye. I'll see you soon, my friend. It's time for us to say goodbye. I'll see you soon, my friend. Goodbye, that is what we say. Ka kite ano e hoa. I'll be on my way. Oh, Mātou is making some mistakes today. It's time for us to say goodbye until we meet again. It's time for us to say goodbye. Ka kite ano, my friend. Goodbye, that is what we say. Goodbye, I'll be on my way. Well, that was an interesting version of the ka kite song. A few mistakes in there, a few words mixed around the wrong way. But left the mistakes in because we're all human and we're all making mistakes all the time. So have a great day, everyone. Ka kite.